Well, can I help you?
No.
Why?
Because I'm something else. There. I did it. Look. See?
Okay.
There.
You want me to tie it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't mess it up again.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll try not to mess it up again.
That's not very nice.
I know. And I said I was sorry the first time. Okay.
Do it again.
Did I mess it up again?
Yeah.
How do you figure I messed it up again?
Because you have to. See?
I didn't do that.
Look.
Yes, you did.
See?
I didn't do that.
You want Daddy spank you?
No.
Again.
I said I was sorry. Do you want them up or
It
down?
doesn't cut it, Grandma.
I don't see how you putting a shoe on makes me mess it up. And I
Hush,
didn't
say
mess it
so.
up.
And you did.
I did not.
See? You did this one too.
I did not. I haven't even touched that foot.
She
Push.
said so.
Oh.
Are we all okay now?
Yeah. But you're not being big.
I'm not being a big girl.
Uh-uh.
Uh-uh. Okay, I have to go in timeout.
Yeah. My shoes like this. Like that. You're messing up again.
Do not take your shoe off again. I did not mess it up.
You messed it up again.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Then tie this one.
Well, that's because you keep saying I mess everything up.
Because you're naughty.
Okay?
Grandpa.
Well, baby,
Messed it up again.
she messed it up again.
Yeah.
What is wrong with that grandma? Does she not know how to do shoes? Should we put her in timeout?
Yeah.
No, she's just a little slow, guys. Don't tell her no.
Shall we just leave it on?
Stop.
Huh?
This is a joke.
It's just a joke? Who's
Yeah.
a joke? You're a joke.
No, you are a joke. See?
What? What is messed up, Kenzie?
This.
It hasn't moved since you touched it the last time.
This.
She's safe.
Ugh.
Did she mess it up again?
Yeah.
Gosh, that grandma.
Grandma. That's not very nice.
I'm sorry, Kenzie. I'm really sorry.
Mommy's supposed to do that.
Oh, I probably
Go time out.
I don't
I
want
won't let
to.
her eat
Yeah.
No more.
Sit down.
No.
Yeah.
She's
No.
safe.
Yeah.
No talking.
No point.
Can I get up,
No.
please?
No.
I'll be good. I promise.
Don't trust her.
Don't do that again.
Do what?
Don't.
Talk.
You step out of the wall. After this part, it can get up.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's
Now?
not go.
Now?
No? But there's the sock.
I don't know. I didn't have it.
Let's play something.
Don't play with her backpack.
Boy, you should feel the cold coming from out of here.
Don't lock the door.
Huh?
Don't lock the door.
Don't talk to the door?
No.
Oh, don't touch the door. Okay.
You can get up now.
Thanks.
You are welcome.
Woo!
I talked to her.